to my channel. So today I have a special unboxing. This boxing is from Cactus Caffeine. I just only opened the box so that I wouldn't show the address. So yeah, I'm really excited to see what is in here and what she sent me. There's a letter. She's better than me. She did a cute letter. Look at that. That's so cute. See the sparkles? That's so pretty. Hi Emily, hope you like these simple treats from my garden. Sending you lots of sunshine and cheers from Las Vegas, Anna. Thank you, Anna. Her name is Anna, and her channel is called Cactus Caffeine. I will link it down at the bottom below. She has a very big, extensive collection of cacti and is very, very knowledgeable. So I will link her down below so you guys can see. Let the truck go by. And she packaged these very, very well. Very professional. Let's see. And this is a good way to package. I like this idea. I don't know if there's anything here that can... Oh, is there a name? There is a name. Here's the name before. And I'm not going to try to go ahead and pronounce that. Let's see what's in here. We spoke a little on Instagram regarding our plants. Okay, so tell me about, this is a cactus, but it's like a different funky looking cactus. 1 second, guys. There it is. That is so cool. Look at that. That is pretty cool, and it flowers. I had asked her about to see if it flowers. Look at how unique that is. It looks like the top of a pineapple. That is so cool. Yeah, she went all out packaging. Oh wait, let me see. Cheers. In the name of Anna, coffee. She always starts her videos with a good cup of coffee. Warning. Okay, this is an Apuntia. I used to have one. Well, of this one. I think this is Rita. Yes, this is Rita, and mine died. So hopefully this one will not die. Oh, she's so cute. Oh. You scared me. Don't spill my coffee. My brother's here. He just scared me. Oh my gosh, he sneaked up behind me. And I looked to the side because I see Maxie coming. And he's right there next to my face, and I just saw him. I looked over because I didn't want Maxie to come over here and get this cactus in her face. So this you have to be very careful because so it does have spines. I will rather touch a spine than before I touch those little hairs. You see those little hairs right there? Those little hairs right there, they will get into your skin, and it's so much. It'll drive you crazy, but I'm just going to pick it up with this really gently. So I think I still put my finger on it. You have to be so careful with these. This is Apuntia Rita, Santa Rita. And she gets some beautiful purple colors. And I'm so thankful that she was able to send that to me. And I love how cute she is. Let me just move her with this. She's so cute. I like cute little cactuses. Let me zoom in for you guys. Oh, that's better. Can you guys see her? She's so pretty. I'm so sorry about that. My brother scared me. I'll probably edit that down. There she is. So see what's in here. I'll definitely be recycling the bubble wrap. It's very good. So this is Mammillaria. Let me zoom it out. Mammillaria microhylia, I guess. Not sure. I like the little attention to detail that she did in packaging. She did very well. Stuck a little bit on the paper. It's moving in there, but when it comes to coming out, I see. Okay. There we go. I saw her potting video that she did, the really beautiful cactus arrangement that she did, and this one really called my attention because of the black spines. I thought it was beautiful, and I asked her if she happened to have any extra, and she told me she had this little baby that I would have to root, but not a big deal. I will gladly root it, and I know she will root just fine. So cute. Last one. Okay, let's see what this is. Let me get it out the bubble first. This is Sunburst Apuntia. Oh, I think I know what this is. I don't have this either. This is such a great way to help each other out in growing your collection. It's really good. Oh, look at that beauty. She's so cute. Look at that. I will grab this here because I'm not scared of this one. But that is some really pretty colors. Wow. That is really pretty. Super cute. Let's see. I don't know if I have pots for it, so give me a second. Back and I'm ready to pot. So the soil is dry, so it will be okay for me to go ahead and place my cactuses that don't have any root just right on top. I'm just going to place this one for now. This is not going to be the permanent spot, obviously, for this little one. I need to get some more pots. But for now, while it roots, it's not a big deal. And then I will place it in a pot more of a size like this because I do want it to get bigger. So yeah, that one's pretty simple. It's a lot. There we go. Okay. That one's done. This one's pretty easy. This will be quick. these tend, at least these types of Opuntia, tend to root fairly easy. So I expect no issues with that one because they root pretty quickly. So let's do that. And then now this one. Might need a little bit more soil before I start to. It's cold. This one that has roots, I would water, but not today because it's pretty cold. I have to look at the following days. I don't like watering when it's cold. I don't think it's a good idea, so I don't do that. But I'll look at. I'll start to look at what's tomorrow gonna look like and days after that. And if the weather looks warm all week, then I'll probably go ahead and water tomorrow. So I mean, it's gonna be, right now when I first started it was in the 60s, but by in the afternoon, like around 2 o'clock, it'll be in the 70s. But I don't know what it's gonna continue to look like, if it's gonna drop again at night. So it's just not a good idea for me, in my opinion, to do that. Anyways, guys, there they are, all potted up, super cute. Thank you so much, Anna. Thank you, guys. I would like for you guys to show some love to Anna and her channel, Cactus Caffeine, and I will link her down below, guys. You guys all have a blessed day. Bye, guys.